And now it's March and my hair looks like this. Honestly, at this point, I wouldn't even mind just chopping all my hair off. You kind of tell where the new growth is. Do not relax your beautiful natural hair. Those are the knots that just pull out. Honestly, guys, sometimes I literally feel like breaking down and crying. I really miss my natural hair, guys. Hello, guys. I'm filming from this angle because this wig is not laid down. But I just wanted to quickly maybe introduce the video because I don't remember how I actually started the video. But basically, this is a 5-month update on my relaxed / Texlaxed hair. If you haven't already, please watch my original hair relaxing video where I kind of had a huge fail when relaxing my hair. I mean, it was okay at the time, but I feel like now I'm really feeling the repercussions, and you'll see in this video what I mean. But yes, welcome to my new channel, guys. I hope you stick around. Yeah, this is basically just an update on my relaxed hair. So let's jump straight into the video. So last night I took out my braids. I had blonde braids. Today it's hair wash day. I'm gonna show you what I've been doing basically to look after my relaxed hair. I had the braids for about 3 weeks and I was like, okay, it's time for them to come out. So I'm going to wash my hair today, and it's so dry and maybe a bit brittle. I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm going to show you what my hair looks like currently. I'm going to detangle my hair and then wash it. And to detangle, I'm going to use my water and deep conditioner mixture. And then, you know, spray sections, detangle, all of that. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, I already finger detangled my hair, so that's why it's a bit easier to part with the comb. Where the new growth is, and then the relaxed hair. My hair is now weird, okay? The ends are still a bit afro-y, and then it's fully relaxed in the middle, and then I have the new growth starting at the base. Yes, this is just, it's annoying, but at this point I'm kind of used to looking after it. Just being careful what I do and trying to grow out my natural hair as much as possible, and then one day I'll do the big chop. Okay, so I'm on the last one left. Okay, so my hair is now in twists. And let me show you the amount of, I don't know if it's breakage, shedding, you let me know, but let me just show you the amount of hair that has come out of my head just from detangling after 3 weeks of braids. So even when I had natural hair, I did have around this much of shedding. The thing is, some of the strands are really long, so I'm not sure if that's shedding or if it's breakage, whatever, but you know, it's a bit sad that I've lost that much amount of hair. But also I have to take into account that I haven't detangled or washed my hair or anything since I had braids for 3 weeks. So yeah, if you know much about hair or more than me, then please do let me know what you think this is. Anyways, now I'm going to wash my hair, deep condition, and then put it back in twists. So I'm going to let my hair air dry over the day, over the night, and then tomorrow is when I'll film the update. Okay, so I have washed my hair. Still pretty wet, but this is what it's looking like. I really miss my natural hair, guys. Like, I won't even lie, I really miss my natural hair, but this is all part of the process in getting my natural hair back. So I'm gonna stick with it, and one day I'll have full, luscious, natural hair. But for now, let's keep it rolling. So I'm taking this t-shirt and I'm gonna wrap my hair to dry. I'll let the excess water drip out and then I will come back and show you how I apply the oil and then twist up my hair again, and that will be it for today. Okay, I am feeling so much more fresh. Personally, I've showered, I don't know about you today, but I'm feeling good. So now I'm going to show you how I apply the Amla Oil and detangle and section my hair. Hello guys, it's the next day, so I'm about to take off my headscarf and show you what the hair looks like when it's dried, and I'm gonna comb it out and do cornrows. Honestly guys, sometimes I literally feel like breaking down and crying because of this hair. I don't know if like my hair is too dry. I do think my hair is dry because when I had braids for 3 weeks, I did not moisturize or anything. I just put in oil one time. That was it. Guys, this is what my hair looks like. November, December, January, February, March. 5 months post relaxer / Texlaxing fail video. So yeah, look at my hair. So I just want to quickly show you a little throwback to January 2022. So just earlier this year, this was my hair after I blow dried it. So it was relaxed at this point, and as you can see, I did have a little bit of the beginning of my undergrowth. But guys, look how good my hair looked even when it was relaxed just earlier this year. And now it's March and my hair looks like this. Honestly, at this point, I wouldn't even mind just chopping all my hair off, but I want to at least wait till my natural hair grows enough for me to do braids at least, because I'm not going to go bald every single day. I'm also not going to wear wigs every single day. So braids are currently my fave. I would rather just put on some braids so I can forget about my hair and moisturize. Don't forget to moisturize, which I didn't do, which is why I'm here. But yes guys, I am honestly so tired of this hair. Try not to relax your hair if you can. I know there's moments where like you go back and forth. Should I relax? Shouldn't I relax? Maybe cut the hair, trim the hair, have shorter hair. That's more easy to manage. But please do not relax your beautiful natural hair. I'm going to now cornrow my hair so that I can put on my wig and go. I have a class that I am going to, so yeah, I'm just going to slap on a wig. Okay, I won't lie, when I watched this clip back, guys, my heart dropped when I realized the state of my hair / scalp. I don't know if I just have really thin hair, so when I part it, it just looks like there's less hair, especially on the line going down. And I did perm my hair in this exact parting, so I don't know what's going on. It looks like it's balding on the line, but then again, I did perm it that way, so maybe it's just damaged. Guys, should I shave my head and start again? Please let me know. Okay, so I just sectioned my hair. I'm gonna do 4 cornrows. Black like dots, those are the knots that just pull out of my hair, and if I think too much about it I will cry, so let's not. Please do let me know what this is. If my hair is dry, then please do confirm that. Finished cornrowing my hair. I'm just gonna use this to tight at the back. I have tucked away my ends. That is basically it for the video, guys. I don't know what else I have to say. I feel like I'm missing something. Maybe I'll think of something else and give my final thoughts in another clip, but for now, that is pretty much my 5-month update on my relaxed / Texlaxed hair. Okay, so this is gonna be such a random clip, but I thought I would show you my hair that I got done at a salon. I just got cornrows. I just wanted to add that in because I thought that might be more satisfying than seeing my terrible attempt at cornrows. You know, the 4 cornrows that I did. So yeah, if you were irritated by my poor attempt at cornrows, at least now you have a clear picture of what I look like after the salon. Okay, so I'm ready now to go to my class, and I slapped on my wig, and I thought I would say a quick bye-bye for this video. I still don't think I have any final thoughts. Apart from maybe I'm just open to help from you guys. If you're natural hair experts or relaxed hair experts, then please do let me know any tips and tricks that I should do with my hair. But otherwise, guys, that is it from me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye.